Storm Cromination is one of our most fantastic sites on one of the busiest roads. It's a huge creative canvas, so it's been in the company for a long time. Practically anybody who's heading out to Heathrow by road will go past that site.
It has always been a very bold and confident space for brands to dominate. When I think about the Cromination of old, I can't help but keep coming back to the image of Nike's Mount Rushmore. I think it was a perfect example of what the Cromination can offer brands, a really impactful, dramatic canvas.
We're upgrading the Cromination because our clients always tell us it's our signature site. To make it digital, it's a bit of a no-brainer for us.
We only actually pressed go on this project on the 12th of July this year. There's a huge amount of work in the background to get this to happen, so doing it in 3 months and 1 week is absolutely amazing. And what I noticed when I took a photo at one end and a photo at the other end is actually in 2 different London boroughs. That's how it really delivers that huge scale.
I don't think a lot of people, to be honest with you, really realise just how big this is. It's a 72-metre long digital display. We had 15 guys on site and scaffolders, delivery guys, project managers on top of that. It's the largest we've delivered on any one site, and I'm very proud of our team.
Additionally to the industrial look and feel of the site, there's actually going to be the real theatrical lighting system. In that system, there's going to be the ability for brands to really add drama to their campaigns.
We're taking all of the theatrical elements that we could previously deliver onto a digital billboard, which is, as far as I'm aware, never been done before in the UK. And now we'll be able to add a truly unique element to Storm campaigns.
I think creatives have the scope to really tell us how it can be used. What we're providing here is the platform to execute some really stunning campaigns. Opening it up to the creative agencies is hugely, hugely exciting for us all.
The creative that you can put onto the screens is quite endless. You can be more provocative to your audience, and with digital out of home, it actually breaks down the parallel between that audience member and the environment that it's actually in. It embraces a whole new type of creativity.
The Storm Cromination, in 3 words, a signature site.
Brave, confident, and I would also say theatrical.
Challenge, scale and achievement.
Beautiful with personality.
Ultimate digital canvas.